Welcome back, everyone. Today we're off to explore Vietnam's iconic Halong Bay. It's just east of Hanoi. It's known for its misty cliffs, dramatic karst formations, and countless little islands scattered across emerald waters. It's one of the most breathtaking spots in the country, and we're excited to take you along. It's raining, the sky is gloomy, but that's travel. Rain or shine, you take it as it comes. We're heading to Halong Bay. The drive from Hanoi shows us real Vietnam, rice paddies everywhere. As we're pulling into the harbor, we're hit with a weird sight. Unfinished Italian-style villas and empty 5-story buildings are everywhere. This was meant to be a high-end tourist zone, but the whole place feels like a dystopian movie set. Honestly, I'm glad it failed. We traveled for beauty and culture, not to see some overhyped, lifeless, concrete mess. Oh, look at this. We have a nice cabin in this junk boat, and we're here for one night. And
You have a camera there.
we have a hammer to, to break the window when it sinks. We have air conditioning. We have a nice view.
It's not that.
This big deck. I like the fact that it's just our little group.
Yeah.
Actually, I'd rather be on this one than one of those slick fancy boats. It's a better experience. There's the captain. I think he lives on there. We're departing Halong Bay. We're going out, we're gonna have lunch, dinner, and spend the night, and then we're gonna have breakfast and brunch tomorrow. All kinds of neat activities the next day and a half. But the main attraction is the view of those beautiful mountains.
Yeah, we're on the private yacht. Yeah. The chef has really
Yeah, you don't have to,
for us for lunch.
it's a stuffed crowd show. All right, you guys, we are in Halong Bay, and we just started out. We had our lunch. It's amazing. You know, we've seen pictures of this place, but you really can't get a sense of it till you're here on a boat. And I've seen pictures, but you only see like a little bit of rocks going up, but this place is completely covered everywhere you look. So it's just our small group from G Adventures on the boat, like 15 of us, and unfortunately it's a little bit hazy. Small boat, enjoying the view. And you know, after a couple of weeks with this group, we're all friends, we're all like a big family now, which really makes it fun. There's all different kinds of boats. This one's smaller, they call it a junk boat. Kind of an old wooden boat, but I like it. I think I would trade this for one of those big fancy boats because it just feels special. What a fun day to spend a couple days here in Vietnam. It's pure magic. Halong Bay's limestone karsts rise like ancient creatures from blue-green waters. Fog drifts over the cliffs like something straight out of a fantasy novel. This place feels unreal. And yes, the scenery actually lives up to all the hype. There are other boats, but it doesn't feel crowded. It's a popular spot, and as we go deeper, more boats appear, but it's manageable. and the beauty is still worth sharing. All the overnight boats end up anchoring in the same area, dozens of them packed in tight. It's far from a tranquil paradise and more like a floating parking lot. To reach the actual sites, every boat sends out small tender boats. So here we are in our little tender boat, heading off to explore the famous spots in Halong Bay. It's not exactly peaceful, but hey, it's still a unique way to see this place. Well, it's kind of amazing what they have set up here. They dropped us off and it's on this big, huge barge docking system they built up here. So you could opt to kayak or you could opt to go with a rowboat and someone's gonna row us. These must be the day trip boats, and this platform's probably their central hub. Hundreds of boats. You'd never know it's even here. They set it all up. Every kind of boat imaginable. Old tubs, fancy boats. So they have quite an operation going here. It's beautiful. Oh, you're gonna go in those caves over there. Most of us went for the rowboat tour. 12 people. One small guy rowing effortlessly, like it's no big deal. He sure has my respect. Something different. We've never done this before. Luon Cave lies just ahead, Halong Bay's most famous stop. From a distance, it's just another limestone wall. Opening right here. Closer in, it's a gateway to a hidden lagoon. Long ago, fishermen sheltered here during storms. Now, it's packed with tourists, including us. Whatever it once was, it's changed. Yes, it's beautiful, but the quiet life and the fishermen that once called this place home are gone, faded out as the tour boats rolled in. Emerging into the lagoon felt like entering a hidden world. Towering cliffs wrapped around us. The stillness, the beauty, it pulls you in. After a peaceful loop, a rower silently turns back toward the cave. As we leave, we glance back. One last look at this secluded slice of dreamlike magic. Next up, Surprise Cave. Honestly, after a few caves, they kind of all blur together. But cruising through the towering cliffs and calm emerald waters, that's the real thrill and what makes it unforgettable. Yeah, so we're going up this Sunset Cave. Looks like a lot of stairs. We'll see how we do. Climbing higher, the views, they just keep getting better. We pause often, partly to breathe, but mostly to admire Halong Bay's iconic landscape. Wow, it's beautiful. We're now entering the cave. They have it all lit up. They have the stairs. They make it very easy for people to come in and take a look. Wow, this is a huge cave. The Surprise Cave truly surprised us. It was far beyond what we expected. A one-way path winds through vast chambers, softly lit, to highlight surreal formations. Stalactites and stalagmites twist like frozen waterfalls, shaped over millennia. Standing beneath the high ceiling, the world outside vanishes. I feel small, humbled, as nature's patient power surrounds me. This isn't just another tourist stop. It's a sacred, silent masterpiece sculpted by time. Half an hour later, we exit the cave and meet the tenderboat on the other side. The view here is stunning, probably even better on a sunny day. And thankfully, going down these stairs is a lot easier than climbing up. Take us back to the mothership. We're heading back to the boat now for the night. Surrounded by other boats, lights twinkling like a floating village. It's not the romantic starry sky we pictured, just distant hum of engines across the still dark waters. Not magical, but oddly soothing in its own way. Would we do this trip again? Maybe we would in a different season, when there's stars, swimming, and sun. On our way back to Hanoi, we made 2 stops. First was Legend Pearl. The demo was short, but surprisingly informative. It's cool to see how pearls are cultivated. A tiny bead goes inside the oyster, and nature handles the rest. That part I really liked. Then came the showroom, giant, glossy, and full of salespeople ready to pounce. Overpriced, overhyped, but yeah, nice stuff. A tourist trap? Definitely. Our next stop, it's hard to explain the mix of emotions. We're immediately introduced to a group of people with disabilities, carefully embroidering detailed images onto canvas. The work is incredibly slow and precise. Each piece must take days, maybe weeks. We're told it's all about supporting disadvantaged people. And of course, we want to help. Our compassion kicks in, guilt too. But then you look around. Tables are stacked with hundreds of embroidered canvases. Then came the showrooms. There's not 1 or 2, but a maze of rooms selling every craft in Vietnam. Lacquerware, jewelry, ceramics, stone carvings, clothes, hats, you name it. And the prices, 2 or 3 times what you pay anywhere else. The emotional pitch means a full-on sales operation. Once outside, we see a yard packed with giant marble statues and fountains, ready to be shipped worldwide. And tucked away in back, a shiny new Mercedes. Sure makes me wonder what's going on. In our next episode, we're off to Hue, Vietnam's former imperial capital, full of history and charm. See you there, and goodbye for now.